You can't be taking this tea and still fall sick. This tea will flush out toxins from your body. It will cleanse your body. This is washing and setting, okay? So this tea will burn belly fat. It will get rid of those stubborn infection in your body. Guys, this tea is so powerful. You can't be following me on this channel while I teach you how to make beautiful teas like this and you still fall sick. Let me show you how to go about this. Let me show you how to make this powerful tea. Yes, it promises to help you burn belly fat, shed weight, keep you healthy, get rid of flu. Yes, we're in the Harmattan season, the winter season. This will get rid of flu and even prevent you from having flu. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let me show you how to make this powerful tea.
So we need ginger for this, okay? So these are my fresh ginger. You can make use of dry ginger if you want. So I'm just going to chop my ginger because we need to really chop this to help the process, okay? So make sure your ginger is well washed. You have properly washed it in between everywhere. I have a brush that I use to wash my ginger, okay? So you wash out sand, dirt and everything from your ginger. You go ahead and chop. You can grate this if you want. You can really grate it with your grater, okay? So you can see I'm trying to chop it into tiny pieces. So you just do this. So ginger has a lot of health benefits that, in fact, if I start mentioning them here, this video will be too long. Ginger has a lot of health benefits, and if you're taking ginger on daily basis, you hardly fall sick. In fact, this very tea that I'm showing you how to make, you can't be taking this tea and still be having fever, flu, and all those kind of ailments. No, it's not, unless you're not doing the right thing. Okay, so just grate your ginger. So I'm just trying to do this very fast. So this helps to boost your metabolism. This helps to keep you healthy, helps to keep the flu away. Yes, like we're in the winter season. Here in Nigeria, we call it Harmattan season. You have dust everywhere. So you have this tendency to catch flu, cough, catarrh, sneezing and all that. But with this tea, you boost your immune system, okay? This will help make your immune system stronger, that your body will be resistant to all those diseases. Yes, your body would be resistant, like those diseases will not even be able to come close to you. And if they somehow do, you would recover quickly because you have built your immune system. You have made your immune system very strong. So your body will naturally fight those ailments. Okay? Yes. When you're taking tea like this, you will not need to go to the hospital. You will not need to go to the pharmacy to buy orthodox medications. All you need to do is just keep taking your tea, and this would help your body to fight those infections, fight those flu. Okay, so you can be taking this and still be down. No. So if you have been following me on this channel, the recipes I share here is to keep you healthy. Okay, so you can't be following me and still be falling sick. No way, unless you're not doing the right thing. So guys, this is my ginger. Okay, so you can see the way I've chopped it. You can grate it, okay, to even help the process the more. So I'm just going to put this aside and show you the next thing we need here. So if I am able to do that, I'll leave a picture on the screen that shows the health benefits of the things I'll be using here. Okay, so the next one is turmeric. Okay, you can see quantity I'm using. Like I said, you can make use of the dried things, okay? You can make use of dry ginger, you can make use of dry turmeric, okay? I'll also chop my turmeric, like I said, to help the process, okay? Turmeric also has a lot of health benefits. Yes, turmeric has a lot of health benefits. When you incorporate turmeric in your meal, in your tea, and your daily lifestyle, you would not be falling sick. And turmeric has a property that can help your body to fight infections and even help your skin as well. So the good thing about turmeric is that your it helps you both internally and externally. Like externally, your skin would glow. Your skin would glow, okay? So everything I'm doing here would help boost your metabolism. If you're looking to shed weight, this will help you a lot. I'm a living testimony to that, okay? With all this tea, I am able to control my weight, okay? Yeah, I eat my normal Nigerian meal. I enjoy my meal. I don't skip my meal. I don't even go on diet. But with these teas I prepare here on this channel that helps to boost your metabolism and help to burn fat, I am able to maintain my weight, okay? Yes. So for those of you that have been following me, you know me, you've been seeing me, I am shedding weight. I am shedding weight. So that is one good thing you will gain by following me here on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Join the healthy people. Join the healthy lifestyle people here. Let's grow together. Let's stay healthy together. Okay? So these are what we need. I'll show you the other ingredients. Okay? So these are turmeric. Next we have lemon. Okay, so guys, this is actually not what you know, because I would show you the super ingredients in this recipe. So don't go away. Don't think you have seen it or you haven't seen it all. So I have this lemon that I've already opened. So we'll be slicing our lemon. Just slice your lemon. This one is about to get dry, so I'll just squeeze the juice into the tea. Okay, so just slice your lemon. You add it. So what we are preparing here is a powerful tea that would help you burn belly fat. If you're struggling with belly fat, this will help you a lot, because this will flush out toxins from your body. This will flush out infections from your body, to flush out all manner of things from your gut, okay? So sickness actually starts from the gut. So if you keep your gut clean, you will hardly fall sick. So my lemon is so dried, like we're in the dry season. Everything is going dry these days. And I didn't put this in the refrigerator. So that is why it is this thick. But we still have the lemon juice in it. So just slice your lemon, okay? So everything I'm doing here is just to help the process. So lemon also helps you with flu. It helps to reduce fat in your body. It helps you to burn fat, okay? So you can see. And lemon will also help to give you very nice and bright skin. So guys, like I said, we have one powerful ingredient that I'll be adding, and not just one, we have some other things, but there's one powerful ingredient that I'll be showing to you. So don't go away, don't think you have seen it all. So what I have here now, I'll get my teapot. So I have this pot that I use in boiling my tea. So I always encourage you to use stainless, to make use of stainless pot while preparing the natural remedies, okay? So that is my ginger. I'll add the turmeric, then I'll add my lemon. So normally I usually like extracting my lemon juice when boiling tea like this, but I'm just going to put everything inside, okay? Just going to put everything you're free to do that. So I'll be adding a little clove as well. Okay, I love clove in my tea a lot. So add clove. Clove is a powerhouse, and that is not all. So, guys, if you don't have everything I'll be adding here, you can skip and make do with what you have. So the next thing I'll be adding here is cinnamon stick. Okay, so just a little amount of cinnamon stick, and now we have the powerhouse bay leaves. Okay, bay leaves. So I'll be adding some amount of bay leaves to this. My bay leaves are broken, so I'll just take some amount of bay leaves. If you have whole bay leaves, you can take about five bay leaves, but my bay leaves are broken, so I took two pinch, or should I call it pinch, or that is okay. So this is it, guys. Now I'll be adding water. So to what I have here, I have a jug of water here. Okay, so I'll be adding all the jug of water. This jug is like 1 liter. Okay, so you add about 1 liter of water to what you have here. So if you want to prepare this in very large quantity, that will be enough for you for like a week. You can just add more of what you have here. Like you make it in large quantity. You take plenty ginger, turmeric, everything, and you add enough water that will be enough for you for a week. Okay, but for me, I'll just keep taking it till it gets finished. So I'll go ahead and boil this. Yes, I'll boil it. So don't go away, because I'll also be telling you one more thing would be adding here. So make sure you watch to the end, and please give this video a like if you haven't. It will help the video to reach other people. Don't be selfish. I am sharing this natural remedies with you so that you can stay healthy, look good, and be strong. So do well to also share with others so that they too can be healthy. And give the video a like. Just hit on the like button. It won't take anything from you. Okay, thank you for doing that. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. Turn on your bell. Yes, the notification bell. Turn on notifications so that you won't miss any video that I will be uploading. So guys, let's put this on fire and allow it to boil. So guys, we'll allow this to boil. Okay, when it has boiled very well, then I'll tell you what to do. So guys, you can see our tea is properly boiled. You can see this is powerful, and the smell is heavenly. So guys, it's time to serve. Okay, yeah, so this is my cup. I like taking it in this big cup, and I relax with this in the morning. So you can take this in the morning and at night to ward away flu, infection, and all what not. Okay, so I'm just training it into my cup. So guys, this is my tea. Okay, so the last beautiful thing we'll be adding to this tea, not just to add taste to it, but also for the health benefit, is honey. Okay, so honey has a lot of health benefits. With honey, you can fight infections, you can fight flu. Honey can help you get rid of cough. Okay, it can suit your airways, can help your throat. So I'll be adding honey to my tea. Okay, so guys, I always encourage people, instead of just taking what you don't know in the morning and you call it tea, just do yours. Prepare your own tea, and you would love it. Just go through my channel, you will see the recipes I have on this channel. Okay, both for your well-being and for your skin as well. It will help you stay healthy and look good. So you can see this beautiful tea. Just see the color. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. So you can see the color, and this is nice. So you take this warm. Okay, take it warm, and if you made it in large quantity, you can keep heating it up every day till you finish it. Then you can also keep it in the refrigerator and heat it up whenever you want to take. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please hit on that like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. You never can tell, you'll be helping a soul, you'll be helping somebody, you'll be helping a life. Okay, so share with your loved ones, share with your friends, and keep coming back. You can see one thing that keeps me going, I benefit very well when I make this video for you guys, because as I make this video for you and take the tea, I stay healthy. And when you watch and also practice what I taught you here, you too will stay healthy. When you share to your friends and loved ones, they too will stay healthy, and together we'll all grow in good health. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I would love to see you in my next video. Remain blessed.